On the wall, playing with the ones that the teacher wouldn't call. We would stare at each other.
Morning. It feels cold today. Oh, hey there. You're watching is the 73rd episode of Vision Specialty. Today, you are now in is the Desolate Fragments of Future University's Ultimate World. This is it, the first episode beyond the first half of the second half of this entire series. So we are discussing the shipbuilding industry even more. Yeah, if you want to keep supporting us for the second half of this entire series, make sure that the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's get to the video, and we'll talk about it even more in this presentation more. See you. Right. Let's see what we got. Dear people of Fontaine, today you're about to witness a new era of Future Ultimate World. The Desolate Fragments of Future Ultimate World. Today is episode 73 of Future Ultimate World. Graded episode 73, Manufacturing Industries, Unit 5, episode 8. So we are about to experience the greatest union of all. Yeah. So let's get started. So previous question time was, the answer is Europe, China, South Korea, and Japan. In the early stages, ships were built for transporting both passengers and goods. But with the development of air transport, the number of passengers using ships reduced, and therefore more attention was directed towards building ships suitable for transporting goods, cargo ships. However, even at present, ultra-luxury ships specified for transporting passengers are being built. Shipbuilding industry has undergone several changes and it has gained a huge progress at present. When we consider the shipbuilding industry in the present world, it is clear that ships are being built. Consider the types of goods they transport: bulk carriers, tankers, container ships. During the early period, only the developed countries paid attention to the shipbuilding industry. The reasons being given are follows: the ability to invest a large sum of money as capital, the availability of iron and steel as raw materials, and having a great reputation and experience. However, this situation has changed, and Graph 5.3 makes it clear that today countries like China, South Korea, and Japan have come to the forefront in the shipbuilding industry. Availability of cheap and skilled labor required for the shipbuilding industry, the presence of new technology, and presence of ice-free deep-sea forefronts to facilitate the dockyards have contributed to the situation. Note on Graph 5.3, recently Sri Lanka too has begun boat and yacht building as an assembling industry. When the shipbuilding industry developed as an assembling industry, the countries which the ships built in the past lost their position as they held in the shown figure Graph 5.3. The contribution to the main shipbuilding nation towards a market CGT between 1970 to 2008. CGT, compensated gross tons. Compensated gross tons, a unit to measure ships' capacity. Japan is blue, Europe is yellow, South Korea is yellow, gray, brown, and China is gray. Right. Activity. Observe Graph 5.3 and explain the current changes in the shipbuilding countries. Note: utilizing the developed technology as a base, shipbuilding industry has produced ships to suit various requirements and had made great progress. This fact can be well established by studying the pictures given in page 100. Figure 5.6789, a container ship, the first ship powered by natural gas, LNG powered, ultra luxury private tourist liner, and also the Queen Elizabeth aircraft. Carrier ship belonging to the British Royal Navy. That's it, guys. So, did you understand the lesson perfectly? Right. Now let's finish the cutscene for this episode. CGT compensated gross tons. A unit to measure ships' capacity. Neil party Japan, Kaha party Europe, Dubru party South Korea, Alu party China. Harida. Katata Baibu. Activity. Observe Graph 5.3 and explain the current changes in the shipbuilding industry countries. Figure Activity 5.4. 5.5. Utilize note and figure 5.6789. Utilizing the developed technology as a base, shipbuilding industry as present has produced ships that suit various requirements and has made a great progress. This fact can be well established by studying the pictures given at page 100. Figure 5.6, a container ship. Figure 5.7, the world's first ship powered by natural gas, LNG powered. And figure 5.8, ultra luxury private tourist liner. And also figure 5.9, the Queen Elizabeth aircraft, carrier ship belonging to the British Royal Navy. Oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be it. I had to check whether we have completed it so far. Yes, it is completed so far. Concept green. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Question time. Summary. I try to summarize it all up. By studying this part, you will be able to identify. I think I managed to make it to the question paper now. Question paper. More about the shipbuilding industry. Probably this answer paper would be better. Trivia title to learn more. Do you know is that there are few trends about shipbuilding industry? Yes. There are some trends, but it will be coming a little bit later. That's only 1.5 hours of paper. Paper 1.5 hours දෙනවා. Paper 1.5 hours දෙනවා. ICT එක.
කොහොම පේපර් එකක් දෙනවද?
මන් දන්නේ ICT එක ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් ද නැද්ද කියන එක.
ICT දෙනවද පේපර් එක?
I don't know.
Teacher කිව්වද?
I don't know. Question එක. Question time. Try to ask some questions. ප්‍රශ්න දෙන්න. Screen එකට දාන ප්‍රශ්නේ. Question එක තමයි. Today's question is name 4 ships that were built by the workers according to the suit various requirements. So do write your answer in your geography exercise book. Ask to make episode 74 of Vijay Pristha Ultimate World grade 10 ඔයාලගේ episode 74 එක මන් දෙනවා. ඔයාලගේ Desolate Fragments of Vijay Pristha Ultimate World second episode එක. එතකොට ප්‍රශ්න නැත්තම් සමහර කෙනෙක් යන්න පුළුවන්. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් දැන් අහන්න. මොකද මට දැන් ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයක් තියෙනවා කරන්න. ඒදා ඔයාලට තියෙනවා නම් ප්‍රශ්න ගැටලු ඔක්කොම කමෙන්ට් සෙක්ෂන් එකේ දාලා තියන්න. පුළුවන් තරමක් ඉක්මනට මම රිප්ලයි කරලා තියන්නම්. As always, Dubir Rasajan the media unit signing off. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. මොකක්ද PFP එක කියලා තානවා Florida Genshin Impact Florida PFP. හරි. පන්ති අවසන් කරමු. Thank you so much for watching. Right. Okay. Here we go. සරේ ශේෂ වුණු මතකයන් තියෙන අල්වර්ල්ඩ් එකේ පළවෙනි මතකෙ විතරයි. තා මතක 71ක් විතර ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවා. තව 71ක් විතර ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවා. අපිට ශේෂ වුණු මතක සාකච්ඡා කරන්න. ශේෂ වුණු මතක 71ක් වගේ ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවා ශේෂ වුණු මතක. ඒ හින්දා අපි ඒවට ගිහිල්ලා ඒවයි මතක අඳුරාගෙන ඉදිරියට අරගෙන යමු. Desolate Fragments of Vijay Pristha Ultimate World episode 74 section 7 episode 2 එකේ අපි අහම් වෙනකම් ඉස්සාර නොවන මතකයේ සමග අපි ආයමු. සුබ දවසක් සියලු දෙනාටම. ජය වේවා මොටර් වැඩ කරන සාර්ථක වෙන්න. ජය වේවා. Right. To be continued.